Hey everybody, it's me, Chet Worthingston, and it's me, Felix Fire 001, and I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you some Dark Souls 3 gameplay, and this is going to be the first of my many encounters with a fellow named Swag Lord. Now, Swag Lord may need to change his title because he's not a lord at all. if you know, if you, if you'll be able to tell by this gameplay. and Swag Lord here is using the Dark Knight Ultra Great Sword with a falchion by the side. And as you can tell, to lower his weight, he's wearing the lightweight Crusader armor. That is. You see, I almost got him here, but his friend's gonna come up from behind and cheat me like a little dirty bastard. But you know what he's not doing much damage, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna get him right back. I almost got him here. Me and my friend Trickster 007, we almost got him here. And this is a really opportune time to get him. But it looks like Swag Lord's run out of time. But if you know what I'm saying, if you know what I'm saying. The soundtrack, by the way, to this video is provided by the Smiths, and this is my favorite album, Mortis Meter. And there I go, dead like a dinky. And I'll come back to you on the next video. So, hey, hang in there. And this is gonna be that's the wrong video. This is gonna be my you know, this is gonna be my second encounter with Swag Lord. As you can see, he's brought his buddy back again, his buddy Artorias, but Artorias is gonna take a sleep nap, and now Swag Lord's all alone, which means I can get him with my double hit combo. And as you can see, Swag Lord, he doesn't have enough swag. Cause he's getting his butt eaten like a deer. As you can see, he's gonna use some regenerating life beams, and I don't approve of that in player versus player combat. And as you can see, Swag Lord has lost his swag. And that's going to be the first of many encounters I have with this fellow by the name of Spook Lord. And for my next clip, this is gonna be the first of many encounters I have with my friend Swag Lord. As you can see, there he is in the corner. He's playing games. He thinks that he can wave it, but I know what he's done. I know the pain he's caused, and I'm not gonna wave back. I buff my weapon. You're in for a ride. As you can see, Swag Lord just barely escaped my grasp. But there, I get him. I get him for some points. I don't, but I got him for some points there. As you can see, Swag Lord hits me with his chain sword. And as you can see, that's going to be the last of many hits from Swag Lord. As you can see, Swag Lord's he's running short on time, and I got him. Rest in peace, buddy. Defeated World Master Swag Lord. Return to your world. And that's the message we're gonna see so many times. And for my next, this is the first of many encounters I have with a fellow by the name of Swag Lord. And this is him, and I'm using my dark weapon. And as you can see, I don't know if he's idle here or not. He doesn't appear to be. He appears to have trying to been tricking me to get his mail breaker out. He thinks he can parry me. Isn't that a laugh? So the thing Swag Lord doesn't know is that I can parry him too. And I'm gonna parry him right here. And as you can see, he's been parried, and I go in for the 600 damage for Poe. And as you can see, Swaglow is running out of time. And that's going to be the first many encounters I have with a fellow by the name of Smooglord. And as you can see in the next clip, I'm just gonna, as you can see in the next clip, I meet a fellow by the name, this is an extra clip, I meet a fellow by the name of, let's see where he is, I meet a fellow by the name of, by the name of Smooglord, and he's gonna invade Mr. Knight Artorias, maybe not so nightly after you see this gameplay footage, but I'm just gonna let it,
And when I'm lying in my bed, I think about life and I think about death, and neither one particularly appealed to me. And if the day came when I felt a natural emotion, I'd get such a shock